Hello everyone, this is Nankishore and welcome to my channel. A little bit about me. My name is Nankishore. I have over 15 years of experience. I started my career as a system admin, then I jumped into security. From 2008, I'm in India. I joined my first organization in India. I don't want to take the name, by the way. As a senior consultant, I used to handle antivirus server. Then I used to take care of the incident management, service desk, and a little bit of network security, system, server security kind of activities. I used to manage a team of 44 at the time. Now, today, after 15 long years, I handle multiple projects from different domain, but mostly my projects are confined to banking domain. I will include my Linux, not Linux. I will include my LinkedIn profile to this video, so you can, if you are interested, you can go through the video. However, I do get lots of requests which I don't accept until unless I know those people, and again, I do have my own reasons for that. Okay, so what exactly I do? I am a pen tester. I've been doing this since 15 years. I work for Fortune 500 companies. I do take up projects from different domains. As I told you, majority of my projects are confined to finance related domain. I do network pen testing, web pen testing, API, mobile, physical pen testing, phishing campaigns, DevSecOps, source code analysis, so and many other activities or projects, you can say. Right now, I am handling three different projects, and the main reason for this particular channel is I do have lots of freshers working in my domain, which the company has recruited directly from the college. So I used to train them. I like teaching, and I especially like working with the freshers because they are having fresh mindset, and they are eager to learn new things. But on the other hand, there is a challenge. They are very unstable. If you make the subject interesting, if you simplify the subject for them, believe me, they will do wonders. So my experience so far with the freshers is very good. So I used to record these sessions, and since these people always used to forget whatever I have taught them, so I thought I will be recording and posting on YouTube. Fortunately, I got very good response. Many of the people who are not from my company or my team, completely strangers, they have gone through the videos, and I got a very good response. And do I train outside people? A big no. My schedule is very busy, and see, it's almost 1:55. I'm still working with my team, and I am on mute, but my team is still working.
एक
Let me
और
take.
गड़बड़ की है हम किसी काम में भी वो
Okay.
नहीं चेंज किए
Hey
हैं ये
guys.
जाएगा कभी
Hello.
यस मैम
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You are sleeping or still working?
Working.
वर्किंग
Okay.
83 और से वर्किंग
So this is a challenge, guys, when you work with the financial domain. I don't like working with finance department because they are very busy, and you don't get time. But job is job, and unfortunately, all my domains are banking related. So we end up working till 1 2, but I ensure my team get compensated for that in terms of monetary value or compensation, like a comp of, or kind of you know so I easily go with the team. So I'm a very friendly person in the team and a funny guy in the team. So that is all about me.